You just found the 2023 GMC Sierra HD. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Tackle the toughest jobs with confidence in this brawny Sierra HD. From its heavy-duty capability to its refined ride and luxury cabin amenities, this impressive workhorse offers a unique blend of steely strength and modern comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless charging station, lane departure warning, navigation system, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors. Super strength meets serene comfort in this hard-working Sierra HD. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.